Hi everyone, today let's make a fall banner. In your kit you will find this piece of wood, 5 pieces of ribbon, 4 foam pieces, some brown paint, and a paintbrush. Now let's get started. First thing to do is paint the wood brown. Now that you're done painting, set that aside and grab your ribbons so you can straighten those out. Now that everything's ready, let's start going through and attaching the ribbon to the brown board. The first ribbon you'll use is the shorter one that's orange. Once that's done, you're ready to attach the other ribbons. Start with the thicker ones first. Now let's go through and use the foam letters to make the word fall so we can attach those once this all dries. Now that you have your letters ready, we can start gluing those to these ribbons. Now let's grab a marker to finish this last part. I'm going to put happy, but you can change it to welcome if you want. And now we're done. I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.